doesn't plan to go to court. He won't call any witnesses in his defense. In fact, former President Trump's lawyer says he will offer no defense in the E. Jean Carroll rape trial. The stunning announcement made in court today. Eyewitness News reporter N.J. Burkett is live at the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. N.J.?
And Sade, there was testimony here late this afternoon. In fact, within the past hour, now the jury has heard from 3 women, all of them telling essentially the same story, that they were overpowered and kissed and groped by Donald Trump. No, none of these is recent, but these stories are intended to back up the allegations in this case.
E. Jean Carroll struggles with the physical and psychological scars nearly 30 years after the alleged attack. That, according to clinical psychologist Leslie Leibowitz. She blamed herself for it, Dr. Leibowitz told the jury. She felt like she was stupid in a way that was hard to shake. It made her feel like she was worth less than she had been before. Self-blame, she said, is common among rape victims. Ms. Carroll claims she was attacked in a dressing room in the lingerie department of Bergdorf Goodman after a chance encounter with Donald Trump sometime in the mid-1990s. Dr. Leibowitz told the jury victims often experience memory lapses, that it's not unusual that Ms. Carroll cannot remember the date of the alleged assault, among other details. Dr. Leibowitz interviewed her for 20 hours. Ms. Carroll, she said, began to squirm in her seat while recounting how Trump allegedly penetrated her with his fingers. Trump himself has denied even knowing Ms. Carroll. Today, the defense tried to suggest that she had fabricated the entire episode. Trump attorney Chad Siegel asked, would it be fair to say she may have presented her symptoms in a way that would benefit her case? I don't believe she did that, Dr. Leibowitz replied. She admitted she never used any diagnostic tests to determine whether Ms. Carroll was lying. Sometimes they're accurate, she said. Sometimes they're not. You're not offering an opinion as to whether Ms. Carroll was raped, are you? I'm not, she said. End quote. Within the hour, Natasha Stoyanov testified that Trump attacked her in the same way in 2005 at Mar-a-Lago while on assignment for People magazine. By the time I turn around, he has his hands on my shoulder, she said, and he pushes me against the wall and he starts kissing me. He was kissing me and he was against me, holding my shoulder back. Did you tell him to stop? Asked attorney Michael Ferrara. I couldn't. I tried. I was just flustered and shocked. No words came out of me. End quote.
Testimony is expected to continue here tomorrow. As Sade said a moment ago, Trump's legal team announced today that they will not call even a single witness. So this case could go to the jury by early next week.